What's up guys, welcome back to Shanghai. I took the train yesterday from Hangzhou to Shanghai. Spent Chinese New Year here. Apparently it's getting really kind of quiet and calm in Shanghai. So we'll see how it goes. But yesterday I was talking with a lady in the train and she told me about a place to check out. It's called City God Temple. So I'm here right now and it looks beautiful. We'll go explore that place and you guys are gonna come with me because I want to talk about something pretty huge today.
Memories die out too hard. And we were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest seas. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on.
So it was a wonderful place, but a little bit too noisy to film. Guys, I promised you a couple of days ago that I would do a video on how I got my first $50,000 to trade. This is a big topic because most people try to trade with way too small account. Like they're trying to live with $1,000 in their account or $200, and it's not going to work long term for sure. But the one thing I want to tell you guys is that before ever thinking about bringing trading capital, wonderful. The first thing to think about is to be consistent. When you get consistent, then you can think about having more capital, putting more money in, or looking for investors. But until you get the consistency, there's no reason to look for capital and to look for anything. So everything comes down to one specific topic here, one point, and it's relationship. Relationships are really powerful, and the people you meet are really gonna help you bring your capital up when you trade. So that's really important. That's why it's really important for you guys to go out there and to meet people, right? Whether that's traveling, I meet a lot of people traveling, or it's gonna be people in your city with meetups with different things as we talked about before. It's really crucial. And the way it happened to me was that we had this group in Montreal, the Montreal Traders Meetup, where we are meeting every month with other traders. And you'll see that people outside the trading area, like they don't really understand trading. They think it's risky or it doesn't make sense or it's too dangerous. But people who are interested in trading, they know how it works. They know that you can make a plan, that you can be correct, that you can be serious about it. So those are the people you want to find as much as possible. And the way it happened to me is I was at one of those events doing a presentation on breakout, and I met someone who was interested in trading. And he told me about his goal to open maybe an hedge fund or something. And I told him, like, I was able to trade. I told him I've been trading for the past 3 years. I told him the results I had, which were true. And that guy, because I had some credibility, was willing to give me some money, right? So that's really powerful. The one thing you need to remember though is that if you're gonna try to find someone that's gonna help you out, you need to be willing to add value first, right? Don't be the guy who is trying to get everything from everyone, right? Talk about what you want for sure, but be willing to add value. Be willing to give something in return, like whether it's gonna be helping that person doing something or just giving you some capital, the return you have on his money for sure. But there's many things you can do here. There's many possibilities, but that's really crucial. And I know there's many companies that are willing to offer you money if you're gonna trade for them, or if you're successful, if you are able to be consistent. They're willing to give you money. But I've always preferred the other way, which is finding relationships, because I believe relationships are gonna help much more in the future. And I believe it's really gonna be long term, versus just having a company giving me money and trading it, right? It's a different thing. So the one thing I can recommend you guys is really to go out there, go to meetups, create your meetups, build as much as possible your authority, because the more authority you have, the more credibility you have, the better it's gonna be. And then you're gonna find people, right? Then it's up to you to decide whose money you want to trade. You want to trade the guy's money who's really stressed, always like wondering what's gonna happen with his money, always like unsure, want to buy a lot of stuff. Maybe not. But if you see someone who's kind of open, like that doesn't need the money he's giving you to live, well, that's much better, right? The guy's gonna be much less stressed. And he's gonna be able to tolerate your losses, because you're gonna have losses, of course, and you're gonna have more tough times. If that person's not able to understand that, and to go through the losses you have, well, it's not a good partnership. It's not even gonna work. So be really, really careful with that. And I sincerely believe, and you guys might not agree on this, it's possible, but I sincerely believe that what you believe is gonna be possible is gonna be possible. But if you believe that you're gonna meet the right people, well, they're probably gonna show up. And if you believe that you're doing everything you can, well, you're probably gonna get a result, right? So believe in it, but meet as much people as possible and create relationship as much as possible and talk about what you need a little bit, not too much. So that's how you get money to trade. Whether it's gonna be 15,000, 50,000, 100,000, it's gonna happen. And if you wanna take this a notch further, the people giving you money are not gonna be people working a 9-to-5 job, being stressed, being without any money, right? They're not gonna be those people. They're gonna be people who have either a business, who understand the risk, or they're gonna be maybe professionals who've been making a lot of money. So try to hang out as much as possible with those people and not the other ones, because hanging out with people who don't are where you want to be or don't have what you want to have, it's going to be a waste of time a little bit. So you might as well surround you with the right people right away. So try to think about where those people are going to be in your city and try to go there, try to meet those people. So that's your basic job for today. I hope you guys are going to take action on this, because it's good to talk, right, for sure, but taking action is much better. I'll keep exploring the city today. As I said, I'm back in Shanghai. Feels really weird to be back here, but it's interesting too, for sure. So I'll show you guys a couple of more things, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, guys.
Memories die out too hard. We were traveling